You know, typically in the morning when I wake up, especially like this early, right now it's like I think it's like 6:30. I'm like pretty much like a zombie. I can't even get up. Trying to get energized for the day, but let's. Last time we were here, we were with Kyoshin. How old do you think this fool is? This fool is definitely 30. Justin was there too.
I'm taking over the vlog now. There's too much negativity going on.
Will was there also. Today, Will is gonna be there. Harlan is gonna be there as usual. Not my other friends. You know, surprisingly, I thought more people would show up. Usually this parking lot's like really full. Oh, Mikey's with me. Say hi. Hello. Say hi, Mikey. Mikey, what's your age, sex, and location? What the hell? Okay, there we go. We're here. So let's check out some cars. We got Huracan. Another Huracan. Oh. Wow. I think the last time we saw this one was at Sunset GT. Still my favorite car so far, but let's check out everything else. Oh, black SV. See, I still like that one better with the, I think it's a Novatech kit. Ooh. Oh, those rims. Oh. Actually, once we venture off into deeper into Protective Film Studio, there's a lot more people over here. .918 didn't even make it inside the barricade. Kind of unfortunate how it gets like no love. P1 did. Ooh, HellBee. What the hell is that? Is that the Pista? Don't tell me that's the Pista. We've seen this one before. There was a, I dedicated an entire video on this thing. This one we haven't seen yet. I think it's called HellBee. And this is, no wait, this is HellBee. Damn it, I have no way. Alright, the only reason I'm getting this right now, the Camaros, is for you, Wakas. So, you know. Wow. This is for you, dude. Some pretty cool Camaros here. And holy shit. This thing looks amazing. Look at that. It's a crazy body kit with a band-aid right there. It's Camaro Central today. And there's another M4 with the PSM body kit. So we're at like the end of the lot, or at like the end of the cart. But so far this meet, you know, it's alright. Like it's a really cool meet, but I wouldn't say it was like as cool as last time. Dan brought out his 3 Zondas, and there was a Lamborghini Centenario, like a baby blue one. So I'll clip all those clips in here right now. There's a Prius. Damn. What is happening? Oh my god. Here you go. No, not today. Yeah. Their cars are taking off right here, so we're gonna catch that when all these guys leave. Right now, My parents are trying to get familiar with the Aventadors because, you know, they're gonna have to take measurements with my car when I get my car, so they can make room in the garage. Oh, look how good this thing looks. Oh, and then we got a Ferrari California. There is the Lamborghini LM002, right? Yeah, there you go. There's a little placard in the front. The side mirror is broken off. That was crazy. You know, I know he's flooring it, but from here, from this angle, it doesn't look like he's going that fast. Yeah. Go. He's finally on it.
Sucks that everybody's standing here now.
Oh yeah.
That's the color I was pointing out.
Damn, that's seriously quick. This is how car meet should be. Just like no cops. It kind of like we're around like there's no other people around. And just cars like taking off. Damn, Daniel. That's awesome. What license plate is that? Do you see that? Oh. Yeah, meets like these are so satisfying to watch.
I love how it says no burnouts right where
I know, right? It says no burnouts, no revving, right where they did there, right where they did it. Savage, bro, savage. You gotta go right? Yeah, he is. Move over, Mikey. Uh-oh. Is that it? The front wheel drive action, bro. Oh shit! Whoa, damn, that's so fast! I miss this.
I miss this too. I need to come more often.
Sounds like gunfire, dude. What's that bike? Yo. I just want to let you guys know, these car meets, the reason why I haven't been doing like car meets as frequently is because the car meets are pretty much like every weekend. I don't go to the ones that are during the weekdays like AA Automotive, so I can't get footage of that. So what my plan is that during the weekdays I'm gonna have like different types of videos, maybe like how-to videos and like just kind of like stories, I guess. You know, they're really fun to do, and I want to tell you guys like, you know, kind of like what I'm going through. And then on the weekends we'll have like at least 2 episodes dedicated to like a car meet like this. What is that? Oh, McLaren. This is my favorite. The 3 Aventadors are leaving. Holy shit, dude. They were like revving. Definitely my favorite one. What's up, dog? It's shooting flames! God damn! Unless they go left, hopefully. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, dude. When I get an Aventador?
Straight pipe.
There's another one. Oh, rocking the purple, but oh, you were matching the Aventador right now. SV. So yeah, not a lot of talking today, but we have so many cars taking off. Like, oh my god, events like these make me so happy. We should have been over there.
So guys, no, I know. Get ready because I'm gonna start here and open up, go up to 12 miles an hour. Then stop at the stoplight.
Nice.
Are you gonna do burnout?
I'm doing burnout. Yes.
Wash. Damn, he brought both of his bugs out. So much for trailing it.
He needs to bring the Vision GTO. But actually,
is that even road legal? Can you even do a burnout in a Chiron? It's 4-wheel drive, it is. Yeah. Holy shit. Oh my god. Here comes the Bugatti, the HellBee. Oh, front wheel drive action. Oh, damn. This event was super crazy. Oh my god, I haven't been to an event like this since last week, but last week was really short because we came super duper late. But anyways, we have another event tomorrow, and tomorrow is gonna be, I think it's gonna be really cool. It's kind of like it might be like a rowdy import meet. It's a meet called Huntington Beach Meet or something. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah. All right, peace out.